Hi, I'm Nathan and welcome to my channel. So this is the last episode of the series of the unboxing. We are opening the last box, the 10th box from my collection. Everything is already in display. There's a little bookshelf on my left that you cannot see, but have a few sets, books, and some instruction manuals. And hopefully this completes all the sets. There are a few sets that are still incomplete. There are a few missing components like the Hogwarts Express. They are missing the rails and the cold card. So I hope everything is here. So starting with the good one. All right, so this is 2011 Hogwarts. That's the missing section. We have the gold card from Hogwarts Express Collector's Edition. Another Expresso Patronum. The previous one was the wolf shape. This is the deer. All right. 13 Greenwald Place. To be honest, I don't know where I'm going to display that. Of course, Lego collections problem. We have the chessboard. We had already the pieces unboxed in the previous videos. We have the Burrow Collector's Edition. All right. We have the tracks, the rails. All right, another section. So let's organize everything. We have the Hogwarts Icons Collector's Edition, basically the books and the stand for the Edwig. The Edwig was, I believe, one video ago, and the rest, like the wings and the accessories, was 2 or 3 videos ago. We finally have the Hogwarts Gringotts Wizarding Bank, the bottom part, the cave part. So I'm very happy. And we have 4 play and display. In this case, this first one have the 2 minifigures collection. They are not complete. I'm missing around 6-7 minifigs. There's one that is stored. I'll add it later to this collection and I'll show you in a later video. So this is one. Second one will be with the dots, all the Harry Potter dots sets released. Here in the future, I'm taking this out of this display, and because I wanted some extra sets so I can show you the variants to just to increase my collection. That's what I want. All right. And now we have one that apparently had a little accident, big accident, and the second one is 2 play and display cases with advent calendars. If I'm not mistaken, this is 2019, 2020, 21, and 22. This is the 4 years, 2 by each case, displayed. Apparently this 2020 had a little big accident and fell all over the place, but at least is inside the case. So this is the collection. We finish our box. I was hoping to find another bag with spare pieces, but apparently there is not. So that hurries me because there are a few sets missing some pieces. no big deal. We also can go to Brinklink, of course, and manage something else. So this is it. I hope you liked the series. Let's see what the future holds for my next series, showing some details, some um, parts of the Lego collection that is not very common or seen in YouTube or other platforms. So see you soon. Bye for now.